Hey guys, in this video we're going to be opening some more paper that I received in the mail. So I recently received another package of really large sheets of paper and a bit of tissue foil. That was really fun opening, so I'm really looking forward to use that kind of those papers. But I received another package in the mail and I'm still waiting on another one. So you guys will still have to wait more for even more paper. But I think there's a few really nice papers in here and I'm looking forward to opening them. So let me open this package. Sorry about that. Okay, so package is open and there are some there's some papers in here. So I'm gonna start with the mold berry, or the largest package first. So this is okay, this is different than I thought. So when I ordered this, I thought it was gonna be regular mulberry, but it looks like it is more of a Origami paper. So that's gonna be really fun. Let's open this up, see what it is like. Okay. Oh, it's okay. It is annoying. Too much packaging on this. Like, I do appreciate how good of a job they do. It's just annoying when you wanna just use one. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully none of the paper is ruined. Look at this. It's all good. And this, yeah. Oh, we have violet there. Okay. So, ooh, why is there like? Okay, this is Unryu. This is not mulberry paper. I really like it though. Nonetheless, I actually prefer it to mulberry. I was just looking forward to using mulberry. But apparently, let's just get these stickers off. I can do this later, but I wonder why they put stickers on there. Okay, so yeah, this is the green Origami paper. Really nice. As you can see, it's like all those lines in it. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking forward to using that. There's, I think, yeah, it's a big sheet. Yeah, really big sheet. So yeah, we have a green, really nice green color. Or whatever color that is. Sorry about that again. We have another green. A light bluish white. This one's really cool though because it has like two colors of waves. A light blue, greenish, turquoise. I can't really tell the colors, but I like them. But yeah. There we go. A purple. Can't even, that one is so dark. Like, there's like no light is getting through there. I want to bond this to another sheet. We have a white. I'm just going to go through this a bit quicker so you guys can see the other sheet. So we have a white here. Really nice white. A white. Right there. A pink. Really nice pink color. It's all like really nice papers. There we go. And then this color I really like also. I think I like all the colors. Another pink, dark pink. Another white-ish color. Really Okay, I don't think they all have stickers, so that's a good thing. And a sort of like a light purple color. They're all really, really nice. But yeah, there you go. Those are the mulberry sheets, or maroon, or whatever they are. Okay. Next one I'm really looking forward to. So I'm gonna pull this back a bit. So the next one that I got is the deluxe washi paper. I think it was like 6 sheets of it, but I got the 35 centimeter ones because I want to make, I think, an anteater. But yeah, it's really, really, really beautiful. I really like this one. So let's open this up. I can tell you guys how it feels and everything. Okay. I don't want to like flatten all of the little wrinkles or whatever. So that's like how it's supposed to be. Okay. Okay. This is annoying. Let's see, do I have something to... Never mind. I can't find a pen, which would help, like, cutting this. Like, I do appreciate that they do such a nice job. It's just almost, like, too nice. Which is a bit annoying. I'll just use this. See if I can pop it using this penetrator or whatever. Yeah, this is like not... Oh yeah, there's also a little wrinkle here. If you didn't see that when they were shipping it. A little bit wrinkled. Let's see if that was something. Okay, there we go. There's actually another way to open it besides that, which is really funny. Just rip the plastic open. Like, and take this out. Okay. So, this paper is going to be the most fun to fold with, I think. So, oh, never mind. It doesn't have just black and gold. This can be even more fun. I didn't realize it, but so it's super, super thin paper, as you can see. It does have a wrinkle, which I really like. It gives it a nice effect. So, yeah. And it also has like the same effects as tissue foil, because it keeps its place because of the foil on the side. It's thicker. But there is a really, really nice black color. I really like the black color. So brown color right here. A green color, which is a bit darker, which you can see. The red color. This is red, not pink. A sort of orange color. And the white. So in total it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of that. That's gonna be lots of fun to fold with. Let's put this to the side. The last one is font paper. It's not that color, that's not it. Right here. So yeah, basically it's going to be a very vibrant green color. Let me flip it over there. these. This one is the easiest to open. Here we go. So we have number one, the green color. So so I've heard that it's, whoa, okay. So this has every array of colors, not just greens. And then also, as you can see, it did get a little bit wrinkled on the edge, but that shouldn't matter too much. But yeah. So we have all these different colors in here. But I really like the texture of the paper. It's really, really nice texture. Feels a little bit grainy. But only bad thing I've heard about taunt is that it rips quite easily. So I'm going to have to be really careful when I'm using this paper. But if you guys have any ideas of what I should fold with this paper, please let me know in the comments. I think one of the first things I'm going to make is Roman Diaz's ring-tailed lemur. I really want to make that model. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and that's all the paper that I have. So again, we have the taunt paper, the deluxe washi, which is 6 colors, and then the mulberry or unreview, whatever it was that we got right here. So yeah, lots and lots of paper that we just received. Gonna be lots of fun to fold with it. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.